Oh, congratulations mga kababayan kay General Torre. Yung magiting, matapang na General, Regional Director ng PNP Region 11. Kasi hindi siya nagpasindak po. Dinefend niya talaga yung kanyang ginagawa sa pagsiserve ng warrant of arrest sa naglulungga na si Pacquiao. Ito ngayon ang sinabi dito sa balita. Police confirm defend digging of tunnel in hunt for Kibuloy. Yan yung ginawa pong Senate hearing sa Davao. O sabi po ni General Nicolas Torre, hindi sila titigil hanggat hindi nila nahuli itong si Pacquiao. Kasi sa paniwala nila mga kababayan, yung bunker na ginawa po ni Pacquiao, pwedeng tirhan comfortably for extended period of time. Kasi pang apocalyptic nga po, doomsday bunker po. Yan ang paniwala nila. And possibly yun ang na-detect ng kanilang equipment po na ginamit. O ngayon, ito yung presentation po, mga kababayan, doon sa Senate hearing. Presentation po ang ginawa ni General Torre. So ito po yung presentation ni General Torre para sa Oplan, Teknon.
Again, sir, let me start now without any much further ado. And also, I would like to acknowledge our boss in the DILG, USEC Lord Villanueva, sir. Next slide, please. The authority and legal basis of our operation are the alias warrants of arrest against Apollo Kibuloy and 5 others. So, I think this is... There's no other question regarding the legality of these warrants, the alias warrants. But on the next slide, I'll show you one warrant where only Apollo Kibuloy is impleaded. Next slide, please. Criminal case number RZQN from branch 106 of Quezon City. Violation of 7610, particularly Section 5B. To read, those who commit the act of sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct
Intindi.
with a child exploited in prostitution or subject to other sexual abuse. Warrant of arrest against Apollo Kibuloy and Apollo Kibuloy only. Dated August 8, 2024. Signed by Judge Noel Parel, presiding judge 106 Quezon City RTC. That is the person that we're looking for, sir. Next slide, please. The area of operation is the KOJC compound, which covers an area of approximately 30 hectares, 22 hectares inside, including the subdivision on the upper right-hand corner, which is another 5 hectares, because we have suspected that
Kailangan na
there is a pulse
napakalaking
of the subject
puwersa.
of the target there.
2,000.
I would like to acknowledge also the presentation of Attorney Torion for giving us the confirmation on the methodical execution of these operations. And also, Mr. Jay Sonsa, the resource person from the another resource person from the KOJC, who simply said that they are live even before we arrive. Next slide, please. So the mission is very simple: arrest fugitives Apollo Kibuloy and 4 others, because one of them is already in custody, now imprisoned in Pasig Regional Trial Court. Next slide, please. The concept is again as simple: enter, arrest, and leave. Simple as may sound, we, of course, expected the challenges. Next slide, please. Drawing lessons from the July 10 operations of Pro 11, we prepared CDM contingents, tactical security teams, arresting personnel, investigator searching personnel with WCPD score and ancillary services team. So you noticed we even prepared the portalets, because we know that this will be a long drawn battle. Because in the next slides you will see why. And I'm very, very thankful with this opportunity to show this, because the Senate will, we do hope that the Senate will see what interventions can be done to help the police or help bring the fugitives to justice. Next slide, please. Day one. I wonder, actually, in Attorney Storion's presentation, he uses pictures when SMNI was always live with videos. Because I do believe if a picture paints 1,000 words, a video will be 1,000,000 more in word. So let's click and see the videos in the next slides. Muna lang ang video. I may suggest, sir, the lag is being caused by the Zoom application. If we can directly connect to the netboard, it will be a bit faster. If we don't go through Zoom.
Ang putang ina nyo! Hustisya! Hustisya! Hustisya!
Ore, wag ka na mag-isip. Wala ka namang isip.
Diyan yung mga pagmumura nila. Medyo may problema po yung internet. Ang hilig nila magmura, mga kababayan. Pero mga sabi, nagba-Bible sila. Yung prayer rally nga nila, morally. Murahan rally.
Oy, mga puki ng ina nyo. Kamusta naman?
You see?
Tanga na, lakad na naman si Loko-Loko. Dapat murahin tong mga to.
Ang putang ina nyo! Hustisya!
Grabe po.
Hustisya!
Ore, wag ka na mag-isip. Wala ka namang isip.
Yan po, mga vloggers nila, oh.
Oh. Wag. Wag.
Papatayin daw nila si Torre. Baliktad po eh. Ang violente po, yung mga taga KOGC. You see? Sila yung sumusunog ng kung ano dyan. Kaya pala, mga kababayan, hindi man pala tirgas yung nakita nilong smoke. Fire extinguisher pala yun, sabi ni General Torre. O,
That
kita
video
ninyo.
clearly shows the hindrances that we face every single day.
Kinapay ang bakula ko kayo! Oh, grabe!
We use high-density lasers sa ating rubber engine board. One of our casualties on the first day, that's the first 3 days, sir. Napaka-exibo lang, sir. And that's the reason why the search really was very long drawn and difficult, as you see.
So, ang violente po, mga
In this
kababayan,
slide, sir,
yung
I'll
mga
show you
taga
that they
Kingdom,
applied for inside KOGC compound. They applied in fairness to them. It was also approved that they are permitted to hold a prayer rally inside a compound. And immediately, they violated all the terms. Number one, they blocked the entire highway. Please click. Can you do that? Yeah.
Abusado
They
talaga
blocked
po.
the airport access road. Next slide. Sige lang, ituloy mo na, Iho. Huwag mo na balik-balikan. They burned the tires as we saw before. That's on the second day
Nagsunog
only.
ng mga guma.
Nagsisimula pa lang ang search operation, sir. Yan na ang kanilang sinasabi. Paano kami makakatapos yan? They blocked the highway at kitang-kita dyan, sir, dalawa ang fire truck dyan. Hindi pwede sabihin na Torion na wala ang fire truck dyan. Dalawa ang fire truck dyan, dalawa lang ang kinumpiska namin. That's a lie. Kung wala ng Zoom, diretsyo na lang tayo sa LED pole. HDMI connection.
Grabe po yung ginawang pang-aabuso nila. Tapos binabaliktaran po yung ating mga kapulisan. Wala kang marinig na pagmumura galing sa mga pulis.
Kitang-kita naman yan. It's really no... Next slide. Wala na yan, wala na yan. Next slide na. Back and next slide. In the lightning rally, they are already wearing newly printed shirts. They're demanding justice for Apollo Kibuloy, yet they don't want him to surrender to the courts. Next slide, please.
So gusto nilang hustisya
Escape lang
pero
yun, escape.
hindi man humaharap sa
Escape.
justice. Sa hustisya, nagtatago. Yan ang
These
punto
are
ni
pictures of our injured personnel
General
during this dispersal. And at this juncture, I'm really questioning the behavior of KOJC people. Are they really the peace-loving people and law-abiding Filipinos that they claim to be? This is just the second day of the implementation of the warrant. This
mga
is not
injured
long
na
drawn. This
PNP
is
personnel
by no
po.
means during this time. Wala pa kami nagagawa sa tindi ng resistance. And is this the red
Duguan po
carpet
yung mga pulis.
that Pastor Carlo Katiil had promised us? If everything that we do is legal, that up to this point had been upheld even by the Court of Appeals to be legal. Next slide, please. Next slide. Now let's go to the use of the tech equipment in locating possible hiding places. We have the life and motion detector from the BFP, which I stated earlier. 2 units from MMDA and borescope, ground penetrating radar. We have 3 various models from private agencies and 1 from the DNR. Next slide, please.
Dali. For the record, who are these private agencies na hiniraman ninyo? 3 various models from private agencies. Can you cite to this committee for the record?
Can I give it at the executive session, sir? Because one person is a former member of is a member of a church where Mr. Kibuloy is once a member also before he put up the KOJC. I think that person will respect his.
So, executive session, you're going to...
These people are well-meaning private individuals who allow us to use their equipment.
Okay, after this,
Yes, sir.
we have to have a executive session.
Yes, sir.
Bigyan mo sa amin.
Will
Thank
you,
you.
sir. Thank you. Next slide, please. So let's play. These are the snippets. These are the snippets. These are all witnessed by their personnel. KOGC lawyers and witnesses witnessed us every step of the way. The indicators show that there may be life beneath the ground, 4, 5, 6 meters below ground. And really, we cannot ignore those indicators because if we do ignore them, what will be the use of the procurement of this equipment? This equipment has been used before in many circumstances. Therefore, we have to believe them unless there are contrary evidence that will show otherwise.
But why, after 13 days,
Yes, sir.
Hindi pa yun
Makita
nakita.
niyo, sir, makita niyo, sir, sa in the next, maiksi lang yan, sir, eh.
Sige,
Next,
sige.
next slide, please. Next slide. Next slide. Lahat yan, sir, ay may mga... At 8:30 a.m., Colonel Pate himself had reported music or sound detected at the back of the stage of the cathedral. So it is behind the exhaust of the aircon and located particularly in the room in the said cathedral. Next slide. Several retests were done. Retests. And we have another confirmatory evidence that I can give in an executive session again, sir. This may be this will need an executive session. Although I have it with me here inside an envelope, you can read if you want to. I can give it to you, sir, in the executive session, or I can give it to you now, sir, so that you can read also.
Kumisek, pagkikuha.
Your Honor, please, if I may comment, Your Honor. For this,
At this juncture, a total of 3.4 meters deep was dug. However, new scan results discovered a retaining wall 8 meters below the down basement. And I think Engineer Zapata also will not be able to explain why there is a retaining wall 8 meters below ground up to 2 meters deep
Your Honor,
in the on the top, except protecting a hollow portion underground.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
is the general implying that just because his alleged equipments, he is now licensed to conduct diggings into the property of another? What if the person doing that is an idiot, like him? Maybe. But I'm not saying that he is, Your Honor. But
please.
But
Wait.
if a contrary evidence should likewise allow us to we should be given the chance to countervail his alleged findings, Your Honor, in a court of law.
Okay,
Because if this is the unilateral finding of a so-called expert, at the very least, we should be given the chance to prove otherwise also. But what he is doing, Your Honor, he is believing hook, line, and sinker of the findings of his expert without even letting us know about it. And now he is proceeding to destroy the property of my clients without even me being sure whether or not his data is in fact true.
okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
We are in agreement to that.
Sir, may I please? With all due respect to the good general, his rantings are starting to sound like a psych patient. So, ano ang protection
Please,
natin? Ano ang protection natin?
Avoid the using those terms.
Nangilig niya magsalita ng masasama.
They're
Mr.
they're
Chair.
offensive words. We have to respect each other.
Mr. Chair,
Yan si Badoy.
from the legal perspective, yung sinabi ni Attorney Torion.
It's okay for me to hear legal or illegal, but comments like psych patient, it's not good.
Yung
to hear
abogado,
because,
ganun din.
Mr.
Dinaringan na idiot si General. Maging general yan.
Right now, pero Dr. Paul,
Maging
Mr.
general
Chair,
yan na
when
maging
you hear
idiot.
something like this, then it becomes whimsical and dangerous.
Yes, as I have said, we are
Kung
in
idiot,
agreement.
maging
I
general
don't-
yan.
Thank you.
No need to
Masyado silang-
convince me. But please, let General Torre
Ganyan
finish.
magsalita ang
Sir,
mga
please
taga-nausog po.
Sir,
Pati mga
please
vloggers nila. Ang tingin nila,
Because
mga
of this finding,
kababayan,
sir, we find the hole
ang
that
tingin
we
nila
dug
sa,
is around,
sa kanilang mga
2
sarili,
feet off
sila yung mga
to
brilliant.
the right. So I asked them over it, and we will plan again. They're digging
Ibaliktad
2 feet
po.
off of that wall, sir. So that will be on the next steps, depending on your advice. Of course, we will be taking into consideration your advice, sir. But that's the scan's
No.
result.
The chair himself would like to advise you to do the same. Do everything legally.
Yes, sir.
Pumunta ka sa
Thank you, sir.
korte, humingi ka ng search warrant.
Thank you, sir.
Para hindi kayo makriticize na ang warrant of arrest, ginagawa na yung search warrant. May korte naman tayo. You can be granted with the search warrant kung justified yung claims ninyo before the court. Di ba?
Yes, sir. Next slide, sir.
Continue.
Possible hiding places. This is the spectrum of the possible hiding places, from the very lavish ones to the poor ones. Because Pastor Kibuloy is basking in wealth and prosperity, enjoying the fruits of his ministry, while many of his ordinary followers continue to live modest lifestyles. Some of his most and closest chosen followers, all young women, some of them minors, as the court records show, experience this lifestyle with him. The other contrast between these two groups is illustrated in the photos and videos, literally heaven and hell. And this demonstrates the spectrum of possible hiding places. Nasa basement kayo kanina, sir, nakita nyo yan. Yan po ang inabutan namin before. We'll show it in video again. That's the video of the pastoral rooms. Not more than maybe 15 young women. Hindi pinakita sa inyo kanina yan, sir. That's the house of the women. In the first floor of the Jose Maria College, off limits to many, including members, male members. Next slide, please. Directly below it, the floor of the basement. Directly below that floor is the basement where you visited this morning. This is what we saw. Those are the bedrooms. Those are the beddings of the ordinary workers. Unless they want to deny it. Next slide, please. Balikan muna doon sa on the rooftop of the basement is directly above those pastoral rooms. Next slide, please. This is the Apollo Kibuloy's hangar. We haven't searched this yet thoroughly. Please click the video. 2 planes, 2 helicopters,
Tindi.
luxury cars. And that's just a very, very small part of the property that we're going to search. Do they expect that? Even without interference, we need time. Next slide, please. Res ipsa liquitor. The thing speaks for itself. One of the many rooms of Apollo Kibuloy with a private cinema. They didn't show it to you. There is information that that room on the center, on the second row, on the bottom, second row, that's the room of Mr. Kibuloy. We are not allowed to search it properly. How about if there's a trapdoor there leading to a basement or leading to a tunnel? So we really need to access the tunnel or the basement in some other way. They will not allow us to go there, sir.
But napicturean ninyo, meaning napasok ninyo yan.
Yes, sir.
O sa na-search ninyo.
But we were not allowed to search it properly.
Ha?
We were not allowed to search it. Makita, sir, mamaya kung paano nila kami sinasamahan sa search. Makikita niyo, sir, kung paano namin ang search na pinagawa sa amin, sir, na inalaw kami.
O, sige.
Next slide, please. Day 9. We searched, that's September 2 na, sir. Major Jana Rose Parcon attempted to search the College of Ministry building after receiving reports that Kibuloy was cited thereat. However, KOJC members blocked them, called their lawyers, delayed them, just like in the many other times that we searched the property. This is actually just the third building that we are going to search thoroughly sana, sir. And this is how it goes. This is how it went. Next slide, please. During the negotiation, the lawyers did not allow the PNP personnel to go immediately. They only agreed to specific conditions. 10 women personnel, and they are to be please see video. Wala kaming sinasabi naman dyan, sir, na may drugs dyan or may kung ano man dyan, sir. But this is how it went. Hindi totoo, sir, na ang pulis ang nang-aapi dyan. Tingnan nyo naman, law enforcers ang piniprisk ng mga tao. And look at their people. All of them wear masks. Galit pa sa amin pag pinapatanggal namin ang mask. Ironically, 3 of the suspects that we are looking for are women. Ganyan ang pulis, no? Yan ang nang-aapi. Law enforcers na nang-aapi dyan sa loob ng OJC. The videos will not lie. That's why maybe the presentation of the previous presenter are all pictures. We have to endure that kind of humiliation. Kasi mag-aaway lang kami, sir, pag hindi namin ginawa yan, pag hindi namin sinunod yan. Mag-aaway lang, sir. Kukuyugin lang kami ng mga tao dyan. So, okay, let's do our job.
Matindi.
Police ang pinifreeze
Ini-inspeksyon.
before they being allowed to enter.
Police na yung ini-inspeksyon ng mga taga-KOG. Baliktad na po. You see?
Next slide, please. During the implementation, sir, ganito rin naman ang aming nakikita, sir. Next slide. Click the video, please.
Sila na yung authority.
Sige. 1 minute na video lang yan, sir. That's how we conduct the search. With them swarming us. Leading us.
Yun, mga
prohibiting us from
taga-SMNI.
opening allegedly secret confidential rooms or restricted rooms. Hindi naman lahat, sir, na pinabubuksan nila eh. Wala talaga, sir. It's all, kung tutuusin, sir, those are all obstruction of justice. Pwede namin, sir, hulihin lahat yan. We have basis. However, just in the interest of just peaceful. Ganyan, sir.
Obstruction of justice, if you are being prevented from arresting Pastor Kibuloy, but you're prevented, pinapasok naman kayo eh.
Sige, sir. Next slide, sir.
And besides, Your
Naging
Honor,
abogado
if I may,
na si Bato,
that
ni
is
Kibuloy.
already the unlimited search. That
Sir.
is already the 9th day, Your Honor.
Sir.
They have already been conducting searches in that area, Your Honor. I don't know why they like that area very much, the Bible school. And they have been, since day one,
Yeah,
Your Honor,
okay,
that has been
okay.
searched already.
Okay.
Many times.
Bakit
Can we continue,
paborito niyo? Bakit paborito niyo yung Bible
That's
school?
only the third.
Balik-balik.
Makikita siya sa sunod, sir. May sketch na kaming ginawa, sir. Next slide, please.
Continue.
Dito muna tayo, sir, sa search on how cooperative they are. Next slide, please. Click the video, please. Sound, please. Naka-X. 100% mo. Yan.
Walang audio.
Very cooperative, sir, di ba? They are delaying us. That's a very big building. They are delaying us from proceeding to another section. They stop us in the middle of the search. So that, for whatever reason, they are delaying us. We have to ask them if we can open doors. We have to ask them if we can proceed through these pathways.
Para
And we
makatakas
only
siyempre
have 10 police women. Why?
si Kibuloy
Next slide.
kung nandyan.
At may mga threats pa dyan, sir. Maririnig natin dyan. Pati mga anak namin, damay. Sige lang, next slide na. Next slide. In the rest of, para mabilis tayo.
But if I were you, if your purpose there in going inside is to arrest Pastor Kibuloy,
Yes, sir.
you allow only 10 women without firearms,
Yes, sir.
pinrest pa ng mga taga-QGC.
Yes, sir.
Paano ngayon kung may armas si Pastor doon sa loob at niratrat yung mga pulis mo?
That's one of the,
Payag ka na mamatay yung mga 10 mong pulis.
that's one of the risks that we have to take, sir. Just
Oh.
O, kita mo na.
one of the risks
For
that we
me,
have to take.
if I'm the commander, that's a very wrong decision.
Sabi ninyo, hindi
I take
pwede.
responsibility
Para
for
sa
that.
akin, very wrong decision yan kung mag-aresto ka. Babae pa ginagamit mo, walang armas. 10 lang, tapos, what? Hindi mo na-imagine? just in case ha, just in case lang. Granting na hindi si Pastor Kibuloy hinahanap na ninyo. Kung ang hinahanap ninyo naghintay sa loob, may dalang armas, nirat-rat yung mga pulis umino, patay yung 10.
We'll consider the SWAT next time, sir.
That's a very wrong decision.
I will consider the SWAT next time. Yes, sir. I take responsibility for that, sir.
Please continue.
Click on the video, please.
Kita ninyo, nirisk pa ng mga polis yung buhay nila, mga babae. Kasi, di ba galit sila na fully armed yung mga polis na pumasok sa compound? Yung mismo pala na pumasok sa mga kwarto, mga babaeng polis, kinapkapan pa at talagang walang armas. Ganun katindi mga kababayan. Pero tingnan niyo, sabi ni General Torre, I take full responsibility for them. Nasyak pa nga si Bato kasi kung siya daw ang commander, hindi na yan i-allow, baka rat-ratin. Kita ninyo? So kung titingnan mo, mga kababayan, walang intimidation o pagtiterrorize sa mga members ng kingdom, ng ating mga members ng kapulisan. Baliktad nga po yung nangyari. Sila pa yung kinakapkapan, sila yung sinaktan, sila yung mga pinagmumura at binantaan pa pati yung kanilang pamilya. You see? Ituloy natin mga kababayan.
Dito, sir, marinig natin sa audio, may mga bata dyan, dahan-dahan lang kayo. At 6 o'clock, they say that the children are the girls are sleeping. Next slide, please. Hindi na kami nagpag-argue, sir. Bawal magkumuha ng pictures, kaya audio na lang ginagamit natin. Next slide, please. Personnel also observed some minors in the living room watching nursery rhyme videos. When asked about the parents of these minors, the KOGC were mum, and some of the loose talks in the escorts had said that they were orphans under the care of the Children's Joy Foundation. Let me segue to the next slide. Let me segue to the Children's Joy Foundation. In 2018, the Children's Joy Foundation was accused by Wise Institute for Human Services of impersonating them and fraudulently engaging in fundraising activities in the United States. The CJF was also cited by the FBI when they raided the KOGC headquarters in Van Nuys, Los Angeles, California in January 29, 2020. Yan ang Children's Joy Foundation. Next slide, please. Because we are not given by the Davao building official of the plans of that we asked for, our architects in the PNP Engineering Service made a sketch based on the videos and the descriptions given to us. This is the ground floor plan of the college, of the ministry building. And the interesting part is the second floor, where the room of Apollo Kibuloy is situated. Next slide. The room of Apollo's bedroom is in the second floor, and you see the doors passing through both sides and always beside a woman's room, also with various entrances and exits. Can you click Apollo's bedroom? If you look at Apollo's bedroom, it's new. The bed cover is newly placed, because if that's an old bed cover, the creases would have straightened out already. Bago lang yan, sir, kasi kung matagal na yan, sir, wala na yung lukot na yan. Because of pag bumababa yan And then yung mga upuan yan, we are not allowed to search underneath, we are not allowed to search within. That's the bedroom of Apollo Kibuloy. Back, please. And I would like to stress, woman's room. Can you please click on that? That cannot be denied. Shoes, designer bags, luxury items, name it. In a woman's room, we cannot find, we cannot name, we don't know. But definitely not Apollo Kibuloy's child. Next slide. So again, back muna. Back sa ating sketch. Again, if we look at the sketch, tagus-tagusan ng mga pintuan, sir. Hindi pwedeng 10 lang ang pwede dyan. Kasi pag 10 lang ang pwede dyan at may kasama yung tao na magtatago, hindi mo talaga makikita dahil i-delay lang, sir. I-delay lang, lipat sa kabila. I-delay lang, lipat sa kabila. Two stories yan. Dalawang hagdanan sa magkabilaan, may hagdanan sa gitna. Paano mo makikita yan kung may nakikialam, nakakampi, na nagtatago, at 10 lang kayo, 5 on each wing. Hindi pwede talaga, sir. Next slide. May mga walk-in closet pa, sir. And then, the next day, we repeated the search. Yan ang sabi nila na binabalikan namin because we came together with the DSWD to look for the children kung hindi man lang, at mas search ng mas maayos. Again, they were freezed, they were delayed. Next slide. And we thought that they will be giving us free access and merong mga rooms na hindi pwedeng mabuksan dahil sabi nila restricted room daw on the second floor. But eventually, after minutes of delay, pinabuksan din nila, isang pulis lang ang pumasok. Ano tinatago nila kung wala naman si Apollo Kibuloy dyan? Next slide, please. Click on the video, please. Ganun uli, sir. May mga babae uli na mga nakamaskara. Pero 3 sa kanila ang hinahanap namin, 3 of the accused are women. Na hindi namin matingnan ang mga mukha ng mga yan.
Stop.
Next slide.
Pwede malaman sa inyo, bakit nakamask yung mga babae doon? Eh, di ba tayo galit na galit tayo sa mga pulis na nakamask because they are very intimidating? Bakit yung mga babae doon sa loob
Yun.
nakamask?
Sir, nagmamask talaga kami doon sa loob. Since nung nag-siege. Kasi bumabaho. Mabaho at saka very polluted yung area. But if they could have requested us to take up our mask, we would. Pero talagang we are just protecting ourselves from this pollution. Polluted yung area. Kasi lahat ng sundalo, lahat nandoon, nagmamask kami.
sandali. Therefore, mali rin ako nung pinagalitan ko yung mga pulis sa highway. Bakit kayo nakamask? Ang rason nila, polluted sir, dahil maraming usok dito, highway ito.
Yes, sir.
Daming sasakyan. So mali yung aking assumption na ang purpose nila doon is para hindi sila makilala at para intimidate yung dating nila. Kapag ganun. Sorry.
Okay lang,
I'm just
sir.
trying to
Okay
be
lang po.
I'm just trying to
Sir,
be
ganito.
rational here.
So,
I'm just trying to be fair here. So
Yes.
kaya kita tinanong bakit
Opo.
nakamas sila doon sa loob.
Sir, as KOJC missionaries, women at that, and with all these policemen surrounding us, nagpipicture, nagbi-video, parang nakahubad kang maglakad. Kasi ganun sila. Tingnan mo, may mga video kami, gumaganon sila, gidudulkit ilahang mga kamera sa mga nawong. Sir, as missionaries, may kultura po kami. Hindi po nag-expose ng aming mga katawan indecently. And here comes lahat ng mga pulis nakaaligid. Kaya to protect ourselves also, aside sa, ako mismo sir, mabaho talaga pag lumalabas. Sorry ha, mabaho na talaga ang compound, umaalingasaw dahil 3 araw, walay mga laba, walay mga ligo. So magmask jud ko kay pagtigyud sir kabaho. At the same time, dili yun kamo, yun pod na ana, hindi kami nasanay ma-expose sa mga tao na gano'n.
Pero ako sorry to say, yung 10 babae na kinapkapan doon kanina, mukhang malinis naman yun. Mukhang mga disente mo, mukhang galing katitipan yun, bagong ligo na naka-uniforme. Hindi naman siguro mabaho yun. Mga babae rin yun very stricto rin yan sa sanitation, hygiene ng sanitation nila. But anyway, I'm considering your explanation. Thank you. Please continue.
Thank you, sir. I would like to emphasize the last sentence. No minors were already found by the DSWD in the room where they were in the previous day. Kung nasaan ang mga bata na yun, sir, Sila na lang nakakaalam. Ba't nila yung tinatago sa DSWD? Batang babae. Next slide, please. Other incidents and observations that we have seen so far. Negotiations, may mga nagreklamo sa amin. Isang nagreklamo is may parent na gustong makuha ang kanilang mga anak. Ang kanilang anak pala, sir. Naibalik na yan, sir, sa Leyte. Nakabalik na yan. Next slide, please. Despite all may isang anak naman, tinawag ang kanyang nanay. At the end of the day, bumalik din ang nanay. Dahil free choice na naman yun. Pero, yun, at least nakausap ng kanyang anak. Dahil hindi nga niya nakausap ang anak niya from North Cotabato. Next slide. Ito, sir, nakauwi na ito. Sa Leyte, nabawi nila. For so long, hinahanap nilang anak nila na yan. Next slide. There is another incident that these people, that the KOJC used minors to pakiklik ng video natin. Mahaba yan, sir. Ipakita ko na lang sa inyo yung ang unahan lang. Yan on the first day, sir, ginamit nila sa frontline mga bata para prevent ang pulis na pumasok. Despite the fact na supposedly, sabi ni Atty. Torion, ay voluntary na inopen nila ang gate. But with reservation, sabi nila. Pero pagpasok namin, yan, mga bata ang iniharap sa amin para kami ay pigilan.
Sandali, bakit umiiyak yung mga bata?
Sila ang ginagamit, sir, sila ang ginagamit na human shield ng mga KOJC. They should not been there in the first place.
Ko lang, sinaktan ba ninyo yung mga bata?
Wala kami sinasaktan dyan, sir. Dadaan lang kami dyan. Sila yung mga... Next slide, please. May kasunod na intervention dyan, sir. The next intervention there is called the DSWD, which again, conducted counseling to these minors, coordinated by our WCPD and supervised again by the KOJC. Walang pulis yun, sir. Sila lahat, all on their terms. Everything that we do on their terms. Next slide, please.
Sandali, hold mo na. Balik. DSWD. I-confirm mga tao nyo yan, yung naka-pula na may DSWD sa likod?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Those were the social workers from the DSWD.
Pwede malaman bakit sila nakamas?
During that time, Mr. Chair, the situation was really full of tension, and of course, the sweat and in the area. Kaya na for safety po and well-being ng mga social workers, nagmamas din po sila.
So, it validates the explanation of KOGC na mabaho daw ang area dahil madumi?
Ipaningot,
Paningot, pinapawisan,
po.
at medyo hindi na maganda yung amoy.
Yes po.
I'm just trying to get the validation from you because you are not KOGC member. You are from DSWD.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So it gives, your statement gives credence to the statement of our QGC.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, kasi kayo, QGC, di ba?
Please. Now, here's the cathedral. Ayaw kami papasukin dito before. Eventually, sa kakulitan namin and sa gagamit ng diplomasiya, we found this door. Going to the lounge of Apollo Kibuloy. And again, he has a bedroom in the cathedral. Wala naman kami sinasabi kung ano man, but he has a bedroom in the cathedral.
Yes, napasok ko yan kanina.
Next slide, please. So, dito sir, obserbahan niyo yung aso. Aside from the technical equipment, ito ho ang aso nang pumasok dyan. Tingnan niyo yung aso sa lower right. Scratching the floor, indicating that there's life beneath. Rescue dog yan, sir. Naghahanap yan ng mga taong trapped under the rubbles. Tignan mo, sir. Unless na indicator yun, sir, ng positive na may naaamoy siya sa ilalim ng carpet. Ito sa baba naman, sir, makikita nyo, magtatatahol naman yung aso na yan, sir. Unless na naturuan ng aso.
O bakit wala kayo nakita?
Hindi pa namin, sir, nabubutas yan, sir.
Ha?
Hindi pa namin nabubutas
Bakit
yan.
hindi nyo binutas?
Bubutasin natin, sir.
Ha?
Later on, sir. Di, sir.
Ayun, binigyan ng ideya ni Bato.
Yung daguni. Nakita ko na yung kung ano na yung aso, signaling positive presence ng life to sa ilalim. Bakit hindi na nyo kaagad naksyonan?
Hindi pa kami, sir, nakakapapas.
Yung binutas
Sir,
nga
kasi
doon sa
cathedral,
ano,
sir, taking
sa
into
compound,
consideration
galit
the
kayo.
sensitivities of KOJC, hindi
Yan
namin, sir,
pang
gagawin
nasa-
yung butas, sir, na kasinlaki nung
nasa
ginawa namin
floor.
sa basement. Because if they will allow us, we'll
If you
enter
really
a
want,
drilling
if you
machine.
really want to arrest Pastor Kibuloy,
Yes, sir. We'll use,
13 days na eh. Bakit hindi nyo ginawa yan?
makita naman natin, sir, yung resistance on the first 1 week na talaga, sir, na we cannot bring in the equipment that we need. They really want, they stop us, yung sinasabi nila, sir, na x-ray. Kita mo, sir, pati ang pickaxe, hindi namin maipasok ng basta-basta. That's why I really, after those, their allegations.
Alam mo, Nick, everything will be settled. Yung paghaharang nila, hindi nila naharang sa inyo kung meron kayong search warrant. Gawin ninyo ang search warrant para...
Ayan, magagalit na
Sir,
sa
we cannot
kanya.
apply for a
Yung
search
mga
warrant,
members ng
considering
KOJ,
that,
binigyan
search
ng ideya
warrant
ni
is used for
Bato.
contraband things and illegal items. We're not alleging that, sir. What we are looking for is a person. No judge will issue us a search warrant because we do not allege that there's drugs there. We do not allege that there are illegal items there, sir. The search warrant will only cover things because it will say that you are commanded to bring to me this caliber 45, which is illegal in the possession of Mr. Salvador. Yun, sir, eh. We cannot make lies.
I agree.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right.
So, ayan, sir, ang mga indicators. na hindi
Kailangan
namin
may
pwedeng
butasan
ignore.
pa po.
So, again,
At
this
huwag
is what I
kayong
said,
magreklamo.
before.
Si Bato na yung
We'll drill
nag-suggest.
holes in there, sir, with the approval of the without the approval of the GMC. But we want to leave a very small footprint. We want to bring in a borehole drilling machine, which will only make a 4-inch or 6-inch hole where we can put down our telescopic cameras to ensure to inspect what is beneath, maybe 10 meters below the ground. Eh, sir, kahol ng kahol, no? So, hindi naman pwede namin paulit-ulitin yan, sir, because the dog will, may mga restrictions din ang pagpaulit-ulit sa aso at masisira rin ang kanyang, masisira ang kanyang training pag paulit-ulit na lang na wala kaming ginagawa. Next slide, please. So, general observation. These are our general observations, sir. The most common refrain of KOJC in preventing or delaying searches is quarters na mga babae yan. And we have heard it a while ago from one of our resource persons na puro daw mga quarters na mga babae. And true enough. Next. And true enough, we find bedrooms of women surrounding the bedroom of Popolo Kibuloy. Next slide, please.
Alams na.
In these 3 areas that we searched, we observed that Kibuloy's room
Kaya yung kaso,
is the
sexual
only man's room in these areas.
abuse.
I would like to ask KOJC to tour you on those facilities in the ACQ College of Ministry, in the cathedral, in the first floor of the JMC building, in the dormitory of the pastorals, if there are other men living in that area. And show to you, the August senators and reporters, if there are really other men living in that area aside from Kibuloy, in the midst of women.
What are you trying to imply?
I'm trying to imply, sir, that the warrant, especially this warrant in branch 106, for violation of section 5P of RA 7610, that reads, the charges, the warrant is subsisting on August 8, issued on August 8, and signed by Judge Noel Parel. Pasensya na kayo, sir. Affected ako, sir, sa mga ganitong klaseng warrant, sir. The charges is,
Continue.
the warrant was issued for violation of Section 5B of RA 7610 that reads, those who commit an act of sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct with a child exploited in prostitution or subject to other sexual abuse.
Confirm.
The law, sir. Next. And all the rooms of Apollo Kibuloy are not offices. All these rooms are bedrooms, including in the cathedral. Next slide, please. His room in the ACQ College of Ministry is the most lavish so far. Next slide. With a jacuzzi to boot. And that is surrounded by rooms of women. Adjacent to it is a room for a woman we have not yet identified. Next slide.
Well, as if
Assessment.
you're trying to impute malice. You're trying to impute malice because, dali, like, yung bathtub na yan, regardless kung gaano kamahal yan, kaya nga niya bumili ng aeroplano eh. Kaya nga niya bumili ng helicopter eh. So,
Sir,
nung...
the warrant of arrest had already been issued by a judge on charges of sex with a minor.
so,
That means, sir, that the rooms that we are searching is really the room of Apollo Kibuloy based on all the indicators. Kaya lang, sir, tagus-tagusan ng mga kwarto, tagus-tagusan ng mga pinto. Kailangan namin, sir, search on our own terms,
But
not on the terms of...
you agree with me
CODs.
that all you are saying are all theories.
Yes, sir, of course.
Kasi, have you seen Pastor Apollo Kibuloy making sex with the children in that bathtub?
We are not saying...
Wala naman, di ba?
We are not saying, sir, it's in the warrant.
Because you are trying to impute malice in your
May
statement.
mali siya man talaga.
No, sir.
Ito naman si
I'm not
Bato.
imputing
Well,
really what
hindi
is
naman-
in the...
That is a fact. Nasa
was not
kaso.
born yesterday. The way you deliver your statement is trying to impute malice.
What I'm saying, sir, is that the evidence that we see is supporting the warrant of arrest for sex with a child.
Correct.
Okay, you're free to make your
Nag-abogado na si Bato.
assessment. But I am also free to, as the chairman of this committee,
Yes, sir, of course.
Nag-abogado
that's
na
what
kay
I observe
Pacquiao.
from you. You're trying to impute malice on the subject with the
Kahit
absence
hindi
of
mag-impute ng malis,
actual
alam na,
sex happening in that bathtub.
hindi man
I
sinabi
think
yan ni
the-
Tore na may
Actual sex
nangyari dyan sa
happening,
bathtub.
happening, sir, was already discussed and already studied with the judge. That's why he asked for he issued a warrant.
Diyan nangyayari?
No, sir.
Okay. Oh.
We're not implying
Hindi
that
nangyayari dyan.
it's from the bathtub, sir. What I'm saying, sir,
I'm not lawyering for Pastor Kibuloy.
Ano bang ginagawa
I am just
mo?
trying to, based on what you are saying, I'm just trying to...
what I'm saying, sir, is that please.
Yes,
Previous
tama.
slides, please. Previous slide,
Factual.
previous slide. Ito, sir, ang observations lang naman.
Okay, observations. You're free to make your own observation.
Oh,
The
ibigay
most
mo
common
yung
refrain is the use
observation.
of women.
Okay.
Which nakita namin, sir, 99% of people tailing us. Kita mo, sir, yung sa kanina yung diwata. Si Mr. Darwin Salcedo lang halos ang lalaki. Babae lahat na sa paligid niya. Di ba, sir? Iyon ang mga warriors nila, sir, eh. True enough, we
Point
find...
of order, Your Honor. Point of order.
Yeah, well,
It seems
What's your
that
point
the
of order?
presentation of the General, Your Honor, is being used really not to present facts of what happened, but to present his view of Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy in order to malign him, in order to make him look bad to the people without even presenting a single evidence. And possible reason why is it that the location of the rooms are like that, simply because of the fact that there are many members of the KOJC, and to impute malice into his supposed presentation, Your Honor, which is actually a confirmation that he is turning an arrest warrant into a general warrant, which is prohibited in the Constitution, Your Honor, because he is conducting only search based only on an arrest warrant. And we were even trapped on September 2, 2024, where his police women went there, Your Honor, it was already day 9. The patience of the people there was already running thin. And they were there, Your Honor, many times already. And on day 9, suddenly they had this all women this time. And of course, since his women was only carrying an arrest warrant, they tried to assert their right that maybe what you are doing is no longer right. Okay.
This is supported by the videos. Kanina pa sir yung sinasabi na quarters ng mga babae yan. Paulit-ulit yan, sir.
Kaya nga,
Sige, sir.
noted na yan ng committee. Yung room ni Pastor Kibuloy, surrounded by rooms of women.
Next slide, please.
So,
Yes, sir.
that's a fact.
Thank you, sir.
Please do not go beyond that fact.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Assessment.
Your Honor, if I may point of order,
Next slide. So this is our recommendation, sir. If we really want this to end, we want to clear all of Kibuloy supporters from the compound to allow full access and thorough search of the fugitive. From the start until yesterday, they are just obstructing justice. Please click. Hanggang kahapon, sir, yan ba ang outnumbered? Yan ba ang sinasabi nila excessive force? Mas marami pa sila, sir. At yan, basura na lang yan, sir, ilalabas namin. Inaagaw pa sa amin at tinitingnan yan, sir, na kung sino-sino mga alipores ni Kibuloy. The videos will not lie. That's why they just present pictures.
Actually, you missed up. Actually, I am preparing this kind of video na gusto kong i-present ngayon just to show to the members of the KOJC that I am a little bit dismayed. Bakit nangyari yan? Ako'y naawa sa pulis. Ako, sa totoo lang ha,
Bumaliktad na
ako'y
si Bato.
nasaktan sa pulis na magtatapon lang ng basura at tila kinuyog pa.
Your Honor,
I know your reason. Gusto ninyo na malaman kung anong laman sa loob, pero ang pulis naman na patrolman na inutusan na magtapon ng basura refuse to engage with you in a conversation dahil nga ayaw lang ng partner na mag-escalate ang tension.
Why we recommend that only their lawyers will be allowed to join the searches. For us to end this once and for all, because Mr. Chair, I would like to ask the KOJC.
Like the question is the question that keeps on coming back is that binabaligtad na ba natin yung search muna bago arrest or arrest muna bago magkakaroon ng lawful search? Parang binabaligtad na natin yung procedure.
Sir, we are implementing a warrant of arrest, sir. There is a command
Correct,
from
yun
the
ang
judge.
the warrant of arrest. And kung na-arresto nyo yung tao, you can conduct a lawful search. Hindi pa nga dapat sa vicinity, kundi on his person,
We're not,
yung search.
the search incidental to a lawful arrest, sir, is a search for weapons and for the safety of the arresting officer. But right now, sir, we are not searching for any weapons. We are searching for the person to be arrested because we have reasonable ground to believe that he is in the KOJC compound. As
And
to where,
what is that reasonable ground to believe?
we have informants, we have surveillance, and may others, sir, that I will reveal to the Senate committee on an executive session, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Continue.
So basically, sir, that's the last slide of my presentation, and we will leave you with our commitment. Next slide. We will not stop until we arrest the fugitives because this is our duty. And most importantly, we cannot and will not abandon the once voiceless victims of Apollo Kibuloy. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Chair.
Yeah.
Yun ang comprehensive presentation po ni General Torre. So nakita na ninyo kung bakit hindi mahuli-huli si Pacquiao. Matindi po ang loob ng kanyang kingdom. Sa mga naghanap ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab Car Rental with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova.
We also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL, Cebu Pacific, and other airline companies, local and international, and bills payment for Meralco Bills, PLDT, Aleco Bills, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor Security Bank Building, Landco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For inquiries, look for Chilon Maravillas. Contact number 0966-802-0949. Yan yung aming Innova. Lagi na pong matao sa amin. Pati mga foreigners po, tingnan ninyo. Mga British tourists sila. Ang lalaki ng katawan na, mga kababayan, nag-gym sa amin. Ito naman po, Indian National. Ito mga mga European sila. Ito naman yung bago naming product na binibenta online, Eye Glow Serum. Whitening po siya galing sa South Korea. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect entrepreneur, Riz Maravillas. For inquiries, look for Riz Maravillas on FB. Ito naman po, Firmax Framing and Lifting Cream. Pinapait po ito sa mga pulses and affected area. Mainam po ito sa mga pains at paninigas na mga kaso-kasuan. Ito po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Nengxia Red Mix Fruit Drink. Hindi man po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. Yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos po. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye. God bless.